now.
Alright, got some more FFA tank domination, and here we go. Yep.
Yeah, these are elite tanks. The best tanks you can get in the game.
So, this is all ranked. This is like 487 Lombax type of deal, you know.
That's who he's fighting, of course.
Yes, I'm obviously 500 Lombax.
Oh, and check this out.
Oh, I'm not even done.
Right.
Oh, he panicked. But will that panic save him?
There. See that? Oh my god. Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for the man that you can't see in the dark.
Whee!
Okay, back to the game.
Now then, let's go see all these
Let's go
tanks.
see his destruction.
You think you can beat me? Quirktastic 01. Care to face me?
Is he trying?
Oh, look it, they're in. What a fool.
And
What big tools. Look at him take. So beautiful. I feel special.
that's it.
Right there.
And that's the man.
What can I say? Pretty awesome. Wait, just gonna show off some fanage right there. And right there. Just gotta show off some fanage. YOLO, right? There's our lovely cameraman. And Lyshandra.
Who made that picture?
And
Babies.
babies. YOLO. YOLO.
And this concludes our video.
Wait, and
In about a few. Oh, wait.
check out
hold on.
stats.
After stats. Here, I got stats.
here, I'll be right back.
Alright, here's the stats.
Oh, yes.
Generators. Player killed. His favorite weapon was the Sonic Eruptor. His was the plasma launcher. Check how many bolts this guy collected. That's a hell of a lot of bolts. Let's see how many. Ooh, that's not very many. Thanks for watching.